Welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're going to be talking about our indie highlight of the month for September.
What?
So, who did we pick this month, Chip?
Melt Cosmetics.
Oh yes,
And
I
you?
love me some Melt. I picked Blush Tribe.
What?
I
haven't tried, but I've seen their pigments.
The titanium pigments are.
So, Melt Cosmetics.
Help yourself.
With Melt, they were founded in 2012, and the two founders, Laura
Ariano
and Donna
Bamar. Is that an A?
Yes.
Bamar, probably.
I'm really bad with names. Their online website is very easy to use, very user-friendly, and I love the way that they display like their swatches, their palettes. Like, it's very like, oh, I kind of want that. Like, you get that like, okay, take my money. They are cruelty-free, but not all of their products are vegan. So if you are cruelty-free and vegan, you just have to read the description, and they definitely are very upfront with the product information, the ingredients, which I think is great. They have a variety of products, a lot of face products, lip products. I know them mainly for their eyeshadow palettes, and we were talking, I think in like a last video of something, that we wanted to try their liquid lipsticks because they have a really nice nude range.
Oh my god, the
lipsticks.
nude, the 5-pack that they sent out. One of my friends got it, and I'm like, I need to see all of them on you.
Stop what you're doing and put them on. So their highlighters, they do sell highlighters individually in like little compacts. Those are $39. Their blush, also single compacts, $22. Palettes range, and this is my Smoke Obsession palettes from them. And I do have swatches of this on our Instagram. If you just go check a few pictures down, you'll see it. So this was at $48, but they do, the bigger they get, it gets to about $58. So I think that's pretty good price range for what you get. If you haven't seen the inside of it, this is the more green focused one. Stunning.
I love the way that palette is set up because
Yeah.
it's the half browns,
half greens, yeah.
and blues. I own the palette as well, the Smoke Obsessions, and I have the Gemini palette. I love.
I want that.
It's
Gemini
my
one.
favorite for fall. So
Yeah.
please go pick it up, whether you buy it through their website or Sephora, because they are now in Sephora, which is cool.
Amazing. Yeah, that's why I was able to swatch this in store before buying it, and I was like, okay, cool, take my money.
I just took a chance.
Yeah. With their lipstick products, so both their lipsticks and their liquid lipsticks are $19, so that's nice that it's not like an upcharge for having it in liquid form. Their glosses are $16, and then they also sell like various accessories as well. But yeah, as far as a new brand that I've tried, I'm not mad at it. It's really nice. The pigmentation's great. The blendability is great.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
The metallics are also beautiful.
There was one shade in the Smoke palette, which was Blue Dream. Any of these like metallic-y shades, pigmentation is there, but it is a little crumbly, a little fallout. So you just have to work with
wet
it.
brush,
yeah,
or mixing medium.
Yeah,
my suggestion. But
definitely workable. Like don't not try it because of that. Like try it. It's really good.
I love Melt. I don't own any of their liquid lipsticks, but like I said, I have the two eyeshadow palettes. Their stacks are cool, but I just can't justify paying that much for like one single pan, no matter how big it is. It's just like, I'll never use it. I barely can hit pan on just a palette where.
And just like storage too. I'm like,
they're magnetic, which is cool, but like the stacks are circular, which you can just put on your vanity or, you know, your desk or wherever you store your makeup, but like if you're putting it in a drawer, sometimes they're too wide. I have Blush Tribe, so they're UK based, but they do ship internationally. They are cruelty free, and I believe that they're trying to do some of their products vegan, but I think it's only like a couple, and they have kind of reduced what originally they were carrying. They focus on just releasing eyeshadow palettes and keeping up to date with their titanium dust, which I'll talk about pricing here in a second. Those are two of the products that they sell currently. They do have some neon loose pigments. They'd probably be the brand that I would go purchase neon pigments from. However, I already have a bunch from DELANEY'S, so I don't need them, unfortunately. But you could go to really any brand. Most of them all sell the same range of like 7 colors because there's only like so many vendors out there. Right.
Options.
And I mean, like, how are you going to keep redoing it? You just can't. You can't, right? Then they have lipsticks as well, which they have some glosses, and then I think also just like some creams. So nothing really matte, but I would focus more so on like eyeshadow palettes from them and the titanium loose pigments. So for the eyeshadow palettes, they run about about 25 pounds on average. So for our conversion, it's 28 to 30. It just kind of depends. And then you have to calculate in the shipping and everything. The lipsticks are 6 to 8 pounds. So roughly 9 to 10 for our conversion. And then the loose pigments, they have the titanium and then the titanium dust and flakes. So those run, and multi-chromes too. So like they're all different kinds of finishes. Those run from like 4 to 9. It just depends on if it's just a regular standard pigment that's loose, the flakes, or the multi-chromes. As you go up to the multi-chromes, those are just going to be more expensive in a general sense. And they do sell a brush set, which are really pretty with the handle. I'll put in a photo here so you can see it. They very much mimic kind of like the Morphe Jeffree Star initial collab with the way that the crystal is done on the bottom, and those are $19.99 pounds, so probably about 23 for us for the conversion. Right. I own the Hasina 2 and the LAILA 2. I'm just into like the sequels, obviously, but the Hasina 2 has purples and some greens and like a couple of tealy tones in it and a nice black matte in there. And then the LAILA 2 is all greens. It just got released. I just got it in a pre-order shipment. I was like, stay tuned for some looks for me with those. But it's just really pretty palettes. I love the formula for the mattes and the shimmers, and that's all I have about Blush Tribe.
I definitely want to try their flakes. Like, flakes are coming in hard, and I'm just like, all right.
We have to be loyal to F.A.I.R Beauty. I need to buy them.
Then I need me to get some flakes. Add me to your order. That's the best thing about shopping with a friend. Just add me to your order. Give me 2 of those.
I do like the titanium dust multi-chromes though. I do want to pick some of those up. And then they have a jungle bundle, which is like greens, and there's like some shimmers in there, and then just some loose like satin pigments. And I'm just like, Yeah. But that's our indie highlight. If there's any indie brands that you want us to check out, go see down below in the comment section, or DM us on Instagram, or message us on Facebook as well. You can hit us up on all those social medias. I'll put the link right here. It's all sugar and spice _makeup. If you want to see this eye look, it's coming up in our 2-in-1 switch, which will be in a couple of weeks. So stay tuned. So thank you guys so much for watching our video today.
Yes.
And we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.